How to change or edit the name of a photo album on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Photos app. Then if you are already in Library, just tap on the Close button to close Library. Here, we will scroll down and then tap on Albums. So tap on Albums at the top here on the right arrow. Then in here, touch and hold on the name of the album that you want to change, and then tap on Edit Title in Photos. In here, to change the title, we can then delete the current title and then give it a new name. And then tap on Done. And that's it. So that is how you can edit or change the name of your photo album. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.